Well, it's that time of year again. The snow is approaching. Sleigh bells be ringing. Time to do some Christmas Jeep thinging. Give us some trusty zip ties. Tie there. And I want to zip a tie down here. Snippy there, a little snippy there, and a wire over and around here. Down here, go behind the grill a little bit. Around past the ear end pike. This over top of. There's a nice little cubby hole right here by the battery. We can shove all the extra. I got a 12-volt power plug right here, wired into a switch, wired right into the auxiliary switches. And just like that, we're ready for the holidays. See y'all later.